Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. Welcome back to another fabric haul. So today, well, first and foremost, I want to give a shout out to Wifey and our close friend Brittany J Jones for launching Melanated Fabrics. Melanated Fabrics is a new online fabric store where both of them run it, and it's amazing. They handpick everything, and the first week, damn near sold out of like 80-90% of inventory, which was amazing. We just got back in town from San Diego where the warehouse is, and before we left I was able to get a few fabrics from the inventory that wasn't already sold out. Also on the site, in the future you will be seeing a lot more dope men sew selections from me, handpicked for the fellas out there. All right, so let's get this fabric haul started. First I have a triple gauze, which is in black, if you can't see it on the screen. Gauze is really cool because it could be thick but it's so light at the same time. I think I have some sweatpants in mind for these, something really slick and chic, very modern, a high fashion type vibe. So that's what I have planned for these. Next we have a Lyocell Twill. If you can look at it right here, it's kind of airy, a little flowy. Now, first I had plans was my cabana set that I did in all black satin, I guess a couple of years ago. But I was like, man, it's getting winter time now, so I think I need to rethink what I want to make, and I haven't rethought that yet. But whatever it is, it's gonna be something really nice, something very flowy on the body, because I just love this fabric. And the gauze come in, I think a army color, a dark green, and this right here comes in, I think, black. You have to look on the site. It comes in a few more colors, and this neutral color is gonna be perfect. So be on the lookout for whatever I make out of this. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's gonna be something cold. Next I have a cotton linen. Let me show you how you can see through it. You see that? Now this right here, these make some of the best t-shirts. One of my favorite t-shirts I bought from Zara was out of the same fabric, and it fits and it feels so good. It lays over your shoulders, and I'm probably gonna make a U-neck, not V and not crew. It's gonna come down just a little bit more, just to show a little bit of that bone right there. That's a nice little shape. And then I might do a drop shoulder with a very short sleeve with a cuff on it. I don't have that pattern. I've never seen that pattern, but I'll probably create the pattern just so I can make it off this shirt right here. Next is a Crinkle Cotton. Now this right here is a little rough, but in a good way. I love the way this fabric feels. I love the way it looks, and this color is amazing. I want to do a button-up shirt, maybe just a short sleeve button-up shirt, but since it's getting colder, I might do on one of my short sleeve button-up shirt, just to structure the design of the shirt, and I might use my simplicity pattern for the long sleeves, because this shirt don't come in long sleeves, and I want to use the blanket and the cuff and all that comes with my simplicity pattern. So I think that's what I'm gonna do out of this. I can't wait to start, because also this particular fabric is so easy to work with. It doesn't slide, it doesn't shift as much. You don't even pretty much have to pin it. Once they touch each other, they don't really move at all. So this is another reason why I can't wait to work with this fabric. All right, so last but not least, I have a organic sweatshirt fabric. Look at that. Now this right here has a nice little stretch on it. The inside of it is nice and soft, and I already have plans for it. This is like literally the first thing I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna work on it as soon as I get done with this video. So I'm not sure if y'all see my white drop crotch sweatpants, but they are really cool, and I can't wait to make them again. And that's the first thing I'll make on as soon as I get done with this video. If you go look at the most recent picture on my Instagram, with the hoodie is from Michael Gardner. Shout out to him. He has some really cool merch. But I paired that sweatshirt with the pants, my drop crotch pants, and I mean they're so dope. So I can't wait to make a second pair. I actually want to make some for sale for people that don't sew or people that don't feel like making it. Doing a little smaller production run of them, but I don't know. I'll think about it. But I can't wait to work with this. It comes in a neutral color. It come in like a heather pinkish kind of color, and it comes with all the rib knit to it. Like, I didn't want to use the rib knit for this because I wanted to use the same fabric out of the band. But in the future, when I make another project out of a different color, I'll probably use the same rib knit too. So all of these are on the site, and will be if it's already sold out, don't worry, a shipment is on the way. By the time this video come out, give it about a week or so, and keep checking the site. We'll be updating you. Also check my Instagram. I will be updating you on there too. And I guess that's it. So I appreciate you watching this fabric haul. Shout out to my wifey, and also the good close friend Brittany J Melanated Fabrics, and we will see you in the next video.